Hello everyone. We are here to fix Microsoft Windows blue screen error, which is also known as BSOD, blue screen of death. And this error is caused by Crowdstrike software installed on your system, which is a security solution, maybe installed by you yourself or by your organization. So if you are seeing a screen like this, then probably you ran into this blue screen error, and we will follow steps to resolve the same. So for that, we have to first enter into the advanced option menu, either from the recovery environment or from the automatic repair screen of the Windows. For that, we have to firstly force shut down our laptop, press the power button for 10 seconds for the same, and then again press the power button to turn on your device once it's turned off. And once again, when there is a first sign that Windows is starting or you are seeing your manufacturer's logo, immediately press and hold the power button for 10 seconds again. Let your device turn off. After that, turn it on again, and this time don't interrupt the startup. Let it fully start. After that, you will see a automatic repair screen with advanced options. It will look like this. We have to open the advanced options from here. And on the advanced options screen menu, you will see your option to open the command prompt. Select that one. Once you are on the CMD, we have to run the following commands. And first command is to switch to the C drive. For that, you have to press C and colon and then enter. After that, follow the command mentioned in step number 2. This command will help us locate a file which we have to delete. This file is related to Crowdstrike software installed on your system, which is causing this blue screen error. And note down the name of this file. We need that in step number 3. Then come to the step number 3, run this command and replace the name of that file which we found in step number 2, and then press enter. The step number 3 will delete that file. After that, we have to restart our system. For that, we will follow the command mentioned in step number 4. For most of the user, the following steps will work fine, but for some, they might get into an error saying that your device is locked by BitLocker encryption or encrypted by BitLocker. For that, we have to follow these steps. First of all, we have to get the BitLocker recovery key. We can get this either by visiting this link. We will also mention this link in the description of this video, or you can reach out to your IT or admin team members in your office or your school or your organization. After getting the recovery key, we have to run the command mentioned in step number 2 and replace the code with your recovery code. This will unlock the C drive on your system. After that, we have to enter into the C drive by mentioning C and colon, and post that we can follow all these steps which we mentioned earlier in this video. And we hope that this step will help you get rid of this blue screen error. And if you do like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends, family, and colleagues. Thank you very much.